Pratyahar. So till now we have completed Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama. These are called as Bahirang or the external limbs of the Ashtanga Yoga, whereas Pratyahar is the bridge between the Bahirang and the Antarang. Antarang is the Dharana, Dhyana and Samadhi, which are the higher stages. So what is the meaning of Pratyahar? The general meaning of Pratyahar is withdrawal of our senses. So the senses are responsible, or senses help us to show us the external world. So here we have to take the senses inside and experience the world which is inside us, which will help us to achieve the blissful state and a calm and clear mind. For instance, when a tortoise is surrounded by danger, the tortoise takes all the limbs inside. Similarly, when our mind is disturbed due to varied reasons, we should go inward. We should take our senses inside and experience the world which is inside us. By this, the mind will be more receptive and the mind will be more clear and accept all the things which are around us. So to understand Pratyahar or to experience Pratyahar, we will practice a pranayam which is called as Brahmari pranayam. So Brahmari is a Sanskrit word for Indian honeybee. The name is so given because the sound which is produced at the back of the throat is similar to the humming of the bee. So we'll practice this pranayam. For this, you have to sit in any meditative posture which you are comfortable in, Siddhasan, Padmasan. I am sitting in Padmasan. So what you have to do, you have to take your little finger and place it over the chin, your ring finger above the lips, your middle finger on the nose and index finger over the eyelid. And with the thumb, close the area which is called as tragus. It is a cartilage here which you can see. Just close this and close your ears like this. You don't have to press. Just comfortably place your fingers on the particular area and make your elbows straight. Okay? Keep your back straight, neck straight. Inhale and exhale. Make the humming sound. Inhale. Inhale. And relax. It has numerous benefits, like it helps to reduce your stress, anxiety, depression, gives you good sleep, it relaxes the nervous system, it helps to lower your blood pressure, it boosts your immunity, it is good in tinnitus, and the contraindications are the pregnant ladies and any active ear infection. If the ear infection is not active, you can do it. People having very high blood pressure should not do it. It's good in people suffering from vertigo. Pranayam helps to accelerate the production of nitric oxide almost by 15 times. Nitric oxide plays a vital role at cellular level. It helps to dilate and relax the spasm of peripheral blood vessels, which in turn will reduce your blood pressure. It also helps in better neural transmission, which will give you a good memory. It affects apoptosis, that is, it is anti-aging. Nitric oxide also controls the hormonal secretion that inhibits production of certain hormones like prolactin, cortisol, catecholamines, insulin resistance. With the release of nitric oxide, we can control, transfer and rejuvenate our body and mind. Practice this daily for 10 times. After you complete the 10 rounds, be in that position for at least 10 minutes. Listen to your body, listen to your emotions. You will notice the shift of energy and a silence within. So, keep practicing, be healthy, be safe, take care.